On today's episode of Nature in the 956, the duck has decided to bring a friend, and there's a duck in the tree there and a duck there. I'm not sure if they're just coming in to visit friends or relatives, but they are young, it appears. There he goes one. Oh. He made it. They're together. So now we have two ducks. I'm not sure if they're traveling north. They look very young. I also hear a third one somewhere. I'm looking in the trees. I don't see anything. There's two there. Oh. He made it to the roof. Oh, she or he is obviously scared, probably tired. They are adorable. I don't have any water to give them or any food, but it definitely appears these young travelers may have lost their little traveling companions. They are cute. Let me see if I can get a better look at this one. There we go. Oh, look. They're definitely young. Well, there you have it. Nature in the 956, live at the San Juan nursing home in San Juan. These little ducklings probably traveling north. Until next time, this is Odie telling you to have safe travels.